Let me remind you about what a lady said here before, that I rebelled from Malakal. And I fell and kundu fi Malakal, and when I rebelled, I drove my car out of the garrison and went to Doleb Hill. From there, I was following the Soba River, Lagait Mali Sumushunu. Oh God. Luman Wasal Nahinak, I pushed my car into the river. Because even if I ban it, it will be seen that this is where they have abandoned the car and they have crossed from here. And the helicopters will hunt for us in the bushes of Wunulam. So I told my colleagues that let us push it into the river. Among the colleagues who were with me, Major General William Dengarang is now a prison officer. And he is alive. General Ejuangwakwer is also alive. So we pushed the car into the river, and while it was sinking, I stood for a moment and I said, Ita Arabiada, Makatal Nak Sakit, Bedur. The Fiwokedenu, the car was sinking, and I go to Lowita, Katalnak, for the greater good of South Sudan. When I go to Loanama Mutu, during the struggle, and I give Alip Land Rover Zeita Kede. You can count Arabad Alfi Junub Pineda, count Alfi Shawaria Bita Juba Barao, Umkam. Whether somebody bought his car, wala kuma jabu, they'll actor min Land Rover kan talana bara min Malakal beo. So I want to answer what is being said about the liberators having monopolized everything. No. We have been fair enough, sharing everything with even those who did not participate, even those who were against us during the liberation. So let us really look at our things correctly in our perspectives so that we don't make mistakes pointing fingers against one another.